taught me how to open a beer bottle with, first of all, it wasn't a lighter, it was a bottle cover. And so now I guess I'm trying to test my fish. How me do it now, so. Seriously, babe?
Baby, you have to put
Can I get the right thing?
I have to put it on your big finger.
Can I get the right thing though? No, want the bottom.
Hey, go get one buckle and come back. Guys.
Can you never teach me with this anyway?
Hurry up. See what babe learn. Come, let me show you. Come, let me show you.
Yeah, you do yours now, let me do it.
Come, let me show you.
Cause
Yeah, watch out.
okay, baby.
Isn't it?
That's how you do it. Well, as far as I'm seeing doing big fingers, so. Babe, I'm left-handed, remember that.
It don't matter. Babe.
Huh?
Look. You have to set it like this. Set your hands up. Set your big finger across. Right?
Across.
The lighter like this.
I have to-
You push your big finger up and flick same time. Go
Oh,
on.
Jesus.
Babe, put effort in it.
No! I want the bottle.
Try one more time. Alright, let's see if we get a buckle for you.
I don't want this explode, you know.
Nah, explode.
Yo, how to open a sorrel beer with a lighter. Courtesy of Courtney. Baby. That one you're too big, man. This is a disadvantage.
Almost. Go on again. Go on again. One more. One more. You almost opened it.
Whoa.
Ah.
That was a disadvantage. With that big
Go.
old buckle there.
You learned
Did
something.
it. No, but I learned something. I've been learn it already. So I use my money for buy one. My sorrel beer that you gave away.
So what? I mean, I want though.
That's why if you buy with your own money.
My money me did buy with first.
I feel see a pure sugar in this though, right? 13 grams of carbs.
That's why I give it away because I know you did that.
Hi guys, it's Kavine and Courtney here, and together we are Majestic Love. Hey, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We are on the road to 500 subscribers. Okay, 500 subscribers. I know we can do it. I have confidence in y'all. I have faith in y'all. And I have faith in us, the Majestic Squad, that we can get to 500 subscribers, hopefully by the end of 2020. Anyway, guys, what's up? It's Kavine.
Hi.
Don't video.
Hi.
Whatever. We are at Lobster Dave. Wait, we know about lobster. You ready to try the lobster?
So what is it?
I ordered him a lobster. She said it was the best one there. And I ordered one. It's called the Shenseea Lobster. And guess what?
I don't want that fee.
It was $12,000.
I don't want that fee.
Yeah.
I don't want that. No Shenseea Lobster. I don't eat that. I don't eat that.
I am done. Anyway, that's my brother. No, the Shenseea Lobster good man. You don't want to taste it? Yeah. So I'm gonna see what this tastes like.
Shenseea Lobster is so expensive.
Brother.
Here, Julia.
Vlogging this Shenseea, the lobster overpriced. Fix it. We're not doing lobster deal.
But maybe it's big. Maybe it's big,
Where's the
Julia.
other one, nigga?
Maybe it's a big lobster, but it's $12,000. Anyway, the food. I'm ready for taste. I'm ready to see what it tastes like. So I'm still waiting on them to bring it. Yeah. Hey guys, so we are now home, and as you can see, lobster Dave wasn't necessary.
You know, entice me, because you are gone. First thing, take about 1.5 to get the food. Second thing, them kind of lobster can't give me. No fork, no rice, no nothing. Then no name, do carry the rice come. The lobster cold. Send him back go get hot. Then I come back, I see same thing. When he come back now, she still not carry no fork. So I wonder.
I don't know. I feel like
food good enough, but guess what?
Service. And it was a long wait. Another issue was just the long wait. It was a very, very long wait, and that wasn't good. But overall, I had the Shenseea Lobster for $12,000. And it was good, but it was kind of cloying.
I'm not Shenseea.
Okay, babe. Yeah, so this is the better lighting. But yeah, the night was long. I'm tired. He's tired.
Yeah? I'm not tired, you know. I make sure to tell her that. So you know, brother, come me tired.
I'm not drink now.
If you tired, talk for yourself. But you are gone. Go to wash off. Isn't it? I'm going to wash off. Forward. Like, forward.
Lord have mercy upon my soul. Me can't bother. Anyway, me just want makeup wipe now. If you wipe off the makeup, rip off these lashes, and just go to bed. Okay. But yeah, today was a good night. And alright guys, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And Majestic Love says peace.
We're out.
Bye.